Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Indeed for resume setup that converts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Indeed into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Indeed website link. Once on the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner and click it. If you don't have an account, select Create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Check your email for a confirmation link from Indeed. Click the confirmation link in your email to verify your account. Return to the Indeed homepage and click Sign in again. Enter your email address and password to log in. Now that you are logged in, look for the Resume tab in the top navigation. Click on the Resume tab. You will see an option to create your resume. Click on Create your resume. A new page will open, prompting you to enter your personal information. Fill out your name, phone number, and email address in the designated fields. Next, provide a brief summary of your professional experience. Add your work history by clicking on Add Work Experience. Include your job titles, company names, and dates of employment. After filling in your work experience, click on Add Education. Enter your educational history with school names and degrees obtained. You can also include skills relevant to the jobs you are targeting. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. Your resume is now set up and ready for downloads or applications. If you would like to download it, go back to the Resume tab. Click on the Download option and choose your preferred format, like PDF. Your resume will be downloaded to your device. You are now ready to use your professionally set up resume for job applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.